Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Swati and I am here with a new video which is based on the topic Euclid division lemma and Euclid division algorithm. So the purposely I am making this video why we are learning Euclid division lemma and why we are learning Euclid division algorithm, how they both are connected to each other and how we are using them in examples in mathematics, how Euclid division lemma and algorithm both are connected to the chapter real numbers, or we can say the number system. So let's start the video and please be there for the complete video. Okay, so let's start it. So the topic for the today's is Euclid division algorithm and Euclid division lemma. So before starting the video, I just want to tell you who is Euclid. So Euclid is a great mathematician from Greece. He tells you about the geometry part and he is a great logician. So let's start with this. So when we are talking about Euclid division algorithm, what is an algorithm, everyone? So please understand what is an algorithm first. Okay. Yes, what is an algorithm? Please do understood this part. Algorithm gives you the definite steps to solve a particular type of problem in a well-defined manner. Means when you are doing something, suppose this is your home and this is your school. Okay, this is your home and this is school. So the way you are taking from home to school, right? Suppose you are taking left first, then you are taking right, like this, then you are taking again, you are going straight and so on, like this. So means the definite path every day you are taking from home to school. That is an algorithm. Algorithm means the steps, particular steps that you are taking in a well-defined manner to solve a problem or to reach somewhere, right? So that is an algorithm. Suppose I'm saying I'm taking an example. So the example is, just a second. For example, every day you wake up at 6:30, right? 6:30 to go to school. You always get up at 6:30, you brush your teeth, you drink water, you go to the bathroom, having a bath. So that is the thing, that is an algorithm your body is following to reach to school, suppose at 7:30. So you start your day at 6:30, then you brush your teeth, drinking water, go to the bathroom, and then have a bath. So this complete steps, the well-defined manner, every day if you are taking the same steps in a well-defined manner, that is called as an algorithm. Is that clear? I think algorithm is okay. So this is the great example in real life. What steps you are taking to follow something, to reach to somewhere, right? So that is an algorithm in real life. But if we are talking about how we are using them in mathematics, so there is a great thing. This is the real life example. So in mathematics algorithm, how we are using them, suppose we have to do a sum of, suppose this is a number 1234, that is 1234 and 634, and we have to add them. So when we are adding a number, we are adding the places. Suppose this is the ones place, this is the tens place, this is the 100 place, and this is the 1000 place. So first we are adding, either we are starting from the right or we are starting from the left. So we are starting from the right side, always from the ones place. So we are adding the numbers at the ones place only. Vertically we are adding. So this is 8. Then we are adding the numbers on the tens part. That is, we are adding this 6. Then we are adding 100 places number, and then we are adding the ones place. So this is the algorithm. This is the algorithm. So first we are lining the numbers vertically by matching their places, because 4 in the first number, in this number, the ones place is 4, and in the second number the ones place is again 4. So we are adding them vertically, then we are moving toward the tens place, then we are moving toward the 100 and the 1000. So this is the complete algorithm to get an answer. So this is the algorithm that we are using in mathematics. In real life, I already told you an example. There is a great example also in today's life which is very, very important, which is an algorithm. YouTube, suppose you have seen a video of mine, okay, of, suppose, of trigonometry. So you have seen a video of mine of trigonometry, and every day whenever you are opening your YouTube, another video of my channel only of the same type or of the same type, they will, YouTube will show you. It means YouTube algorithm is such that they will gives you and video which is of the same type. Suppose you are watching the maths video, so YouTube will gives you the suggestion for the maths video again for another topic, right? So that is an algorithm which is already set up from the previous history. They are giving you the same feedback that you can watch this video also or this video also, and you can select from that. So that is also an algorithm. So everything that you are doing in your real life, that is also an algorithm, and in this way we are using an algorithm in maths also, right? Now let's discuss about lemma. Okay, so let's discuss about lemma. So what is a lemma? Lemma means something is already proved. Something is already proved. You just have to use that proof to prove other statement. Suppose I am saying there is a say that sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. This is a proven statement, already proved that sun rises in the east. So whenever you are showering water to the sun, according to your religious beliefs, when you are showering water to the sun, you will always move towards east part. So it means something is already proved that sun is always in the east, so your face will always go towards the east part, right? Now, what is a lemma? Something is already proved and you just have to solve the question based on that proof. Suppose I'm saying, what is the correct way to get an owl? This is an algorithm example. So let's take a lemma example first. Okay, let's take a lemma example because we are learning lemma. So lemma is a statement that is already proved. I am saying that 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, which is already proved that 2 plus 2 gives you 4. If I'm saying 2 plus something is equals to 4, you will say it may be, the answer is always, it will be 2 only. 2 plus 2 is always 4. Means that is a helping theorem, you can say. So something is already proved and you are using it for the another purpose, right? So I am taking an example. So this is a now lemma and algorithm, they are both connected to each other. How? We are using the lemma statement which is already proved to solve an algorithm. We are using lemma to solve an algorithm. And how we are using them? We are finding HCF, suppose, of 25 and 20, suppose. By using what? By using the lemma. What is a lemma? That we will discuss in the another video. Okay. So A is equals to BQ plus R. What is this? In the previous video, I told you about the real numbers formula. That is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Right? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. You can take any example. Suppose you are dividing 16 by 4. So 4, 4, 16. So remainder is 0. So what is division? The number which you are dividing, that is 16. What is a divisor? 4. What is the question? At what times 16 will come in the table of 4? 4 times only. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. So 16 is equals to 16. Already proved. So this is the proven statement, already proved statement. So we are using it to find out either any one of the thing, either the dividend or the divisor or the quotient or the remainder. We have 4 things: dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. If we know the 3 things, we can easily find out the 4th one. So this is a lemma and we are using it to find out a answer, right? To solve an algorithm. So if we have to find out the HCF of 25 and 20, so suppose I'm saying 25 is the dividend. We have to divide the bigger number by the smaller one. We are dividing 25 by 20. So this is the dividend we are dividing. We are dividing by number is 20. So 20, when you are dividing 25 by 20, so one time it will go. So the question is 20 multiply 1 is 20 and the remainder is 5. Now in the next step, this number and this number will become the dividend and divisor. So bigger number will become the dividend and 5 will become the divisor. And 5 times what is 25 times 4 and the remainder is 0. It means the HCF of the final answer of both these is this 5, is this 5, and the remainder is 0. So always you will get an HCF only when remainder is 0. Otherwise, the algorithm will go on and on and on. So you have the lemma, that is division is equals, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So using that, we can easily find out the HCF like this. So here the remainder is 0 in the second step. So the divisor will become the HCF. So HCF is what? HCF means the highest common factor, that is equals to 5. If the remainder is not 0 at this point also, then we have to take the third step, right? So that is the way we can easily find out. So in this video, what we have discussed about the algorithm, we have discussed about the lemma. So please understand, we have also connected with the real life. So yes, go through it, and please suggest if you want something else. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you. Please do watch this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.